Hello everyone, my name is Aryan and CAT exam is almost near, huh? Only 7 days left to be precise. You all must be feeling very nervous. Trust me, I was also there last time. So, some important strategies for you all. First one, do not practice more and more new concepts. Focus on what you have learned and revise and practice them as much as you can. The second thing is that make up your time schedule and wake up schedule as per the time slot which you have been provided by CAT faculty. So if you would be practicing mock at that particular time, your brain must be active for that 2 hours, and that is very crucial for that time. And the third thing, which is the most crucial, which I would like to say, is that once just practice in the mock, in which you won't be attempting anything for the half of the time duration of each section. And like BA is for 40 minutes now, so just don't attempt anything for 20 minutes and then maximize your output for the rest of the 20 minutes. It would be helpful for you to face pressure at that time, because on the D day you won't know that what kind of pressure you will face, because there are numerous situations and numerous goof up things which can happen to you. So if you practice like this, even if you pick a wrong set in LRDI which will waste your 15 to 20 minutes, you would be still sure that 20 minutes are left, and I have faced that thing in my mocks. I can still crack two sets, and same goes for VARC. And another thing is that focus on the things which CAT official exam has brought in, like two surprises this year we have got. First one is scratch question in VARC, and second is that two questions for one LRDI set. So focus on that, and just one thing, don't panic at all. Just be relaxed. If you have done all the hard work for all those 6 months, 7 months, or 1 year, then you won't face any difficulty. You just need to face the pressure out that day, and for that reason you need to practice like that. The thing is that if you have done all the hard work now, then you would be cracking. If not CAT, then you must be able to crack any other entrance exam like NMAT, SNAP, ZAD. So you would be having numerous opportunities. For me, the same thing happened. I got pressurized in the CAT exam, and I couldn't face the pressure, and I goofed up in the exam. But I got 241 in NMAT and 95 percentile in SNAP. So yeah, it kind of turned out good for me. And yes, that is all the strategy which I would like to have. Focus on the exam and don't panic. And yeah, last thing, do not revise anything one day before exam. It's just your day. Chill, relax, watch a movie, and just take your 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And yeah, best of luck for your exam, guys. If anything you need, just drop it down in the comment section below. I would be happy to help, and subscribe for more strategies and more interview tips which would be further coming up. So yeah, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.